afternoon. This is my data science assignment 4. In the previous assignments, I have been exploring few regression algorithms. So I want to understand few classification algorithms. Uh, I'm using a simple fruits data set which I got from the source that I have mentioned in the first line. So I'm importing necessary packages to explore the data set. And exploring the data set, I understand that there are 59 rows, which is a very small data set, and 7 features. Let's see how many unique features are there for different fruits. So it's seen that apple, mandarin, orange, and lemon are the 4 unique fruits that is available in the data set. And let's do some visualization on this data set and see how many counts or how many fruits are available for individual fruit. Let's do a box plot to understand how the data is in the data set. We can see there are some outliers for each feature. And let's also go into some histogram analysis to understand the distribution of each feature. Not all features are skewed, so let's not worry about transforming the data set. Let's also understand the correlation between different features since they might have an implication. Now let's go on to the model. I want to explore different classification models such as logistic SVM, decision tree, KNN. Uh, I have taken snippets of code from the website that I have mentioned in the first line, and I am running through different regression and classification algorithms. Logistic is the first one, followed by decision tree, KNN, and LDA, which is linear discriminant analysis, based SVM. The most accurate model for this dataset is given by KNN. The accuracy is 100% on the training set, on the testing set itself. So let's explore further on this model. Let's plot the confusion matrix. That's also shown in the line number 21. And when we see in a plot for the k nearest neighbors algorithm, we see that when the value of k is 5, the accuracy is 1. This is a simple exercise that shows the working of different classification algorithms. Thank you.